How to remove text from your video on CapCut app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove text from your videos on the CapCut app. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your CapCut app and make sure that you're logged into your account. So here I have opened a video where I'm going to be showing you guys the edit. So what I'm going to do now is simply go ahead and add a text on this video. So what I'm going to do is tap on the video first to edit it. And then here at the bottom, you'll find all of your edit options. And what I'm going to do now is tap on the text option to add text. So just tap on this text option right here and tap on add text like this. And you can enter your text right here. So let's say if I just write something like mountains, and then if you want you could add different styles like these ones, and you could also change the color of your text, and you could also change the size of it as well as the opacity. So once you are done with your text, what you can do is just move it around, and if you somehow don't want to keep it anymore, then in that case you're just going to have to select this text option right here at the bottom. You'll find this slider, and if you just tap on it, you have an option to delete from here, or you could see this cross icon right here. So as you can see here, if you just tap on it, you have this cross icon, or you could just tap on this delete icon at the bottom. And now you have successfully removed the text. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.